Let's practice writing numbers. 1. Let's write the number 1. 1. 2. Let's write the number 2. 2. 3. Let's write the number 3. 3. 4. Let's write the number 4. 4. 5. Let's write the number 5. 5. 6. Let's write the number 6. 6. 7. Let's write the number 7. 7. 8. Let's write the number 8. 8. 9. Let's write the number 9. 9. 10. Let's write the number 10. 10. Well done!